You're running this.
Yeah. So, what is this, 47?
Yeah.
47 CAD here. 4-door. Hasn't been running in about a month?
Yeah, a couple months.
Couple months. I'd say it's about 40 degrees outside, 45 degrees. Not super cold. Not like the other day.
Well, let's see.
And it's, hold on, let me get up there. And it's got what, a flathead? What's the size of the engine?
346.
336?
46.
346. Flathead.
Almost.
Oh. Wow. Oh.
Not bad.
That fired right up. I mean, it's not like 0 degrees out here, but it pretty much went.
Considering that the carburetor hasn't been rebuilt in 50 years.
Wow. Well, a few things were rebuilt.
Yeah.
Go around the back. And you got it on the original fuel tank now, after you cleaned it out. Oh, she's a little rich.
Well,
Yeah, she's a little rich. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh. Bah. Oh yeah. Touch rich. Oh, it's real rich.
She'll clear up.
There it goes, starting to clear up. I can't believe how quiet it still is.
The exhaust is actually in really good shape.
Oh. There's chunks of rust coming out of the exhaust. Oh man. But still pretty solid altogether.
Pretty good for it being seized up when it got here.
Oh yeah, it was seized up when it got here. Yeah, see, I should have videoed that.
Yeah.
But you had it running like a day after you got it.
Yeah.
I wasn't even here. That's smooth.
Wait till it's all rebuilt and running like new.
Runs pretty good now, actually.
Yeah.
I can't believe how quiet it is. You can have a full conversation right here, right next to it.
Yeah.
You don't even have to really yell. Look at how loyal those old belts are.
Yeah. That's not bad. 1960s rubber.
Yep. This was parked, when was it parked again? 78?
Yeah.
Parked in 78.
So, at least that old.
Oil pressures, got some. Gas, none. Battery, not charging. temperature gauge that I'm sure doesn't work. Got aftermarket seat heaters down there. That's what that is. Didn't we figure out this is for the seat heater down here?
Yeah.
That one, yeah, that's for the seat heaters they put in.
Yep.
Look at all the oil pressure you got.
That's not bad.
I'm gonna laugh if the temperature gauge starts working.
Yeah, it won't. And once the carb's rebuilt, it'll probably
Run a lot better.
idle. Don't want to right now. Without moving it all, unless it's totally warmed up.
Nope. Oh,
Oh, there it goes.
did you figure out if this worked? Does the boost unit work?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Even after all those years. Oh, oh, there it goes.
There it is.
But the fact that it does run is really,
Yeah, and it didn't take much to start it.
yeah,
Considering this is old and
it's all old.
yeah, I want to jump wires to places.
Well, that's just how you do it. They call that the I'm a Lone Wolf 3000 over there trigger. What Derek would call it. All right. I'm slowly going to restore this in time.